It's candy?
Yeah.
How do you know? Who's that?
Sabrina.
And who?
What is it? What is this?
It's Sabrina and Andy.
What is it doing? But he made a present? Why?
What do you mean?
Why just he made a present?
Hudson. What are you doing, Hudson? Alright, be careful with it.
What's the big ones from here? You gotta pick the big ones off there.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do this one.
I'll get it. It's big and heavy.
I'll do it. It's so fun.
Okay, put it down. I'll get it. Just go ahead and sit down. So explain to me why is it that we can do the presents over there now and not for Christmas?
Because Santa was see it was down here. He's gonna help me open the presents.
Oh yeah?
Yep, he
And he
is.
says it's Merry Christmas now instead of Merry Christmas later. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
I don't know. So, I'll take the cookie one.
Uh-huh.
Because this one, what's in this one?
Well, that's what we don't know. That's why they're wrapped.
Oh, what's there? What's inside of it?
I don't know.
Look in there.
We gotta wait till Christmas.
Yeah. You take